So guys, I recently received this Slice card, which is a Slice credit card, and I am currently doing the unboxing. So it comes in a decent small plastic packaging with a purple color. It's a cardboard, not cardboard exactly, but paper. You can see the texture. So let's quickly open this. So it's empty. Let's keep this aside and see what's there inside this. There are like a lot of papers. Hello dreamer, there's nothing in this world that makes us happier than you bringing home this Slice Supercard. A lot of effort, love and hard work went into creating this magical little thing, so you could just tap it, slice it, love it. Zozo Team Slice. Then there are some stickers, nice stickers, you can put it up anywhere. And so these are the details of the card. Get up to 2% instant cashback on every transaction. So let me tell you, it's a catch. You directly don't get 2% instant cashback. There is some terms and conditions applied. Slice your card bill over 3 months without any extra charges. Enjoy new deals every week with Spark. So this 2% instant cashback is something like the more you spend, the more it is, more cashback you get. For now, it's 1% cashback on every transaction, and to unlock the 2% cashback you need to do something. I'll get into the details later in this video. So let's keep the paperwork aside and see what's there inside this. Oh, so this is an interesting packaging. So the moment I pull it from here, as you can see, I'm pulling it from one side, but it's getting pulled from both the sides. So this is like a nice fidget. If you want to just fidget with this, just open and close. So yeah, you need to scan this QR code to get your card activated by downloading the Slice app. And this is my purple color credit card. Reserve a spot in your wallet. So I won't show the back of this card because my card details are on the back side, the card number and the CVV. So that's how it looks like. I can however show you the back part by hiding it with my finger, the card details. And so as you can see over here, it says smart banking by SBM Bank. SBM Bank, I think it's Bank of Mauritius, State Bank of Mauritius. So they have provided this Visa Platinum credit card, Slice credit card. So I am excited to use this, and I'll just show you the details of this on the app. So guys, this is the Slice app, and I have set a pin. No thank you. So this is how the whole interface looks like. These are the card details, and here you can check out all offers. So this is like the top offers that you have. There are like a lot of brands: Grofers, Blinkit, Make My Trip, Go IPBX, Eco, Yatra, Big Basket, Swiggy, Flipkart, Amazon, Domino's, Chocolates, Easy Dinner, Levi's. Like a lot of brands offering good cashback and discounts. So you can check this section, and this keeps updating. Plenty of brands. They have tie-ups with a lot of brands. So over here you have your profile section. Over here it's pricing. So as you can see, all the charges are 00000. There's absolutely no charges for this card. There is only late fee charges, which is as follows. So below 500 rupees there is no late fee charge as such. Over 500 rupees the charges start and over here you can also invite your friends and earn. So this is my invite code. I will pin this in the description, and you can earn 300 rupees if you use my referral code. So click the link below and apply for the slice card.